Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how to add extra button after add to cart, and through this button we can open any product tab. Today I will share how to add product inquiry button and open product inquiry tab. You can see that's it, and scroll down to the product inquiry section. This is very simple process. I will provide you all the codes that you need to use on your website. So let's jump into the video. First of all, you need to install a free plugin from WordPress repository. To add a plugin, just hover on plugins, click on add new. In the search box, type code snippets. Then you will be able to see the plugin, and I have already installed this plugin. Just you need to install and activate it. Okay, so I'm going to activate it. From here, I'll activate this plugin code snippets. Click on active. After successfully activated the plugin, you will see a menu called snippets. Then you need to click on add new, and here you have to put a title, add inquiry button, and you need to copy all the codes. I will share all this code to the description, or I will provide you comment section. So just paste it, and before paste it, I'm going to show you that if I refresh here, you can see there is no product inquiry button. Okay, now I need to activate this and save changes. So click on save changes and activate, and go to product page, refresh here, boom, our product inquiry button is here. Now if I click here, you can see the product inquiry form is opening and is scrolling down to this area. That's it. So if you want to change the text of this button, it's very simple. Just go to the codes, and here you can see product inquiry. Change it to sample inquiry and click on save changes. If I go to product, refresh here, and you can see this name is sample inquiry. And if you want to rename this, just go to the code, and you can see here is sample inquiry. Just remove these two slashes. If you remove these slashes, then you can see there is sample inquiry. You can also change this text, no problem. So I am going to click on save changes. If I go to products and refresh it, you can see sample inquiry. That's it. In this way you can do this. Also you can add different buttons and different tabs, or point to another tabs. If you need any help related to your website design and development, you can contact with us. We will try to give you a solution for your problem. Thank you so much.